You know this comment changes everything. Senjolala ningatyanga xa ngafolowushwa nguwe. Ezindilala phantsi kweblorho. Completely my life changes because you don't follow me. Why don't you say this louder? I want people to see this comment and to follow him. Yeah. You understand? So anansi andilale nditye ifollow yakho. Uyayiva? Andilale nditye ifollow yakho. Andigaleli petrol ngefollow yakho. Ntona nto? Following yakho. Andibhatali rent ngefollowing yakho. Andithengi mbane ngefollowing yakho. Uyayiva ke?
Into endiyithethayo uthinatsika ndiliphiqaphiqa mamela. You know how messed up this is between me and you. Isenza mamenemene nathi. So it's not about the accuracy. It's about the interest or the appetite to research and get to unpack, understand. No, it's not about laa nto ubana funeka ustikhe by your story. Ne? Sticke by your story. Uba uyimele into yokubana kuthe kwathi funeka uyimele ude uyofa. Nemelo liphexephexe into yokubana ume enyaleni uqine enyaleni ube uyibona uba ayiyo le nto. Look, now I will always change my mind. What is important to me is facts. It's things that are on the surface. What can I prove? What information makes me say that? Andilandeli mhlambi ke mna ke ndibe ndithetha indithethwa sisininzi. I will always stand out. I will always speak my mind, my way. So bawufollowisha mna ukwazi uzicingela. Nantsika khawukhe because my people, abantu bam abandilandelayo, abantu abakwazi ucinga. Lo sisi uzenza ngathi uyandithanda, nto ngumuntu kaBhutlu. Kanti uyondimbimba kubhosi yakhe ukubana no ningathethi yonke into ke journalist leya. But senzo ndi-investigate a very serious matter that's about to headline up Eastern Cape if they don't do right. Uba abenzi kakuhle amapolisa alapha ephondweni, rather i-IPID, if they don't do right, if they don't make any arrests, if they don't do what they know they have to do, then hell will break loose. Kuzakwaziwana. Hayi nje ndifuna uthetha nale into bizwa ntoni fans followers kaBhutlu lo ndimpimpileyo kubhosi yakhe wathi ningathethi yonke into ke journalist. Hayibo awungcole. Intoni? Senzo yiloba buyikhwaze. Ndilapha kwa-Cambridge. Kanti ngisase ndingenapha eCambridge because I'm on to this. Believe you me.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosazana Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. A famous TikToker lo investigator indaba ayaqweqwe ulunga agqabashe uphendula those people who are always dragging him about lama investigations lawenda ukuthi angeke ave ngani iqabanga. So ulunga utithola trenda kulamalanga lawa lesindlula ku, and he is still trending ngo-investigate ukuthi maqoqwe uhlala phi, wakhule lapho, ukhule njani, umuntu lonjani, and all that kesana, because yena he believes ukuthi there's more to the story le maqoqwa sitshela sona. And uhambe wayekhuluma ngisho nabo makhelwane abalama koqoqwa khule khona ufuna ukugadarisha athole information about Thandekile ngoma kaqoqwa. So people are saying ukuthi avane sicefe lo mfana yini lafuna kuyithola. So people are saying ukuthi thena we believe uMokoCwece, and uthi yena has not saying ukuthi uCwece was not raped. Uthi yes, he does agree ukuthi uCwece was raped, but uthi yena ubona akukuthi uMokoCwece akasitsheli yonke into, hence why yena tendela yakhe i-investigation ucwaningo. So uthi anje akanandzaba nokuthi bani bathini, uthi yena abantu abamthandzako, ama-followers akhe, ama-fans akhe, ngilabantu labakhona kuqabanga, akanandzaba abantu ingqondo letifishane. This is after he was dragged nge-investigation yakhe, bathi bantu nje nakaphume kumakacwece, akahlukane namakacwece, unzabona petrol yokudlala nemadatha okudlala, ukuhamba arekhoda tinto, arekhoda nebantu yini lafuna kuyithola ngemntwana lodlingiliwe khona yini, atenda liphiciphici, because at first bekamelana namakacwece kwicici, yena sowushintshile and he's now against Qweqwe's mom. So people are saying ukuthi uliphiciphici ulimene. So uthi yena has not gonna back down, has not gonna back off, uyaqhubeka forward, he goes, he doesn't care what people say about him. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out, so goodbye.